everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you're not able to open Outlook with an error invalid OAuth token exception in your Windows machine. Now, Outlook fails to load with the invalid OAuth token exception error due to an expired, invalid, or misconfigured OAuth token during authentication. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is if you're using Outlook web app, you will have to go ahead and clear cache for your browser. To do this, you will have to open the browser and then click on the three dotted lines at the top right corner and then click on settings. Under settings, you will have to go ahead and click on privacy, search and services, and then click on clear browsing data. Choose the delete browsing data time range depending on your preferences. In my case, for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to choose last hour. The best thing to do is you may go ahead and choose all time. Choose everything what is necessary here, excluding password and autofill form data, and then click on clear now. Close the browser, reopen the browser, and check if you are able to open Outlook web app on your computer. Now, in case if you're using Outlook for desktop, in those instances, you will have to close Outlook completely, close all the windows, then do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type the command outlook.exe space / clean credentials and then click on OK. This should give you a prompt saying cannot start Microsoft Outlook. If you get this message, you can ignore this and click on OK. Then you may try to open Outlook and check if you are able to open Outlook. This should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of this, if you're still facing a problem, the next thing what you could do is you can check MFA, that is multi-factor authentication and account selection. Ensure multi-factor authentication completes fully. Select the correct account if multiple are linked. Recent password changes can invalid token. So in case if you have reset or if you have changed the password recently, this could also lead to this error message. Make sure you go and update the password correctly. So all this steps should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.